main purpose of these sessions is to give you the opportunity to hear from the fund managers that manage a lot of your wealth.
And what we do is we invest long. And most people here would know what investing long is. It means you're buying a share and hoping it goes up. We also can go short, which means you're investing and hoping a share goes down, so you're making money when a share goes down. And then we're also actively using currency. What our ultimate goal is to give you global equity exposure at lower levels of volatility.
If you manage risk well, returns will actually take care of themselves. Multiple ways of winning for us is that you need at least to come up with 4, 5, 6 ways that you think this business is going to perform well in the future.
So we've looked at this business and we've said cheap on valuation, and it has those multiple ways it wins through a global product.
Hyundai Motors is now our largest position in our portfolio, so this represents about 4.5%.
So what we're looking for is currencies that are very overvalued and currencies that are very undervalued. We're going to look through the noise. We're going to assess every business and look for those multiple ways of winning, but not risk your money in investing in stocks that are overvalued. We're looking for businesses that are cheap, that have these multiple ways of winning, or on the short side, looking for expensive businesses that have, in our view, multiple ways that can lose.
So Antipodes, by our name, by nature, we invest in global stocks abroad. It needs to be well below what we think it's worth in the future. We need 3, 4, 5 reasons, or what we say 3, 4, 5 multiple ways of winning on that stock. Can it provide a diversified source of performance or alpha generation in that portfolio? And ultimately, we're trying to put all 3 together. We're looking at businesses market capitalisation greater than 2 billion. That's what we're aiming for. Typically, we would have between 30 and 60 stocks across the 3 funds that we own. You tend to find in Australia, the opportunities for local investors is pretty limited. Once you chop out banks and you chop out resource stocks, we can get similarly great businesses, but lower risk or lower valuations overseas.
Wouldn't it be easier just to invest in an index fund?
At Antipodes, with those extra tools that we can provide to be able to manage currency and also to be able to provide shorts, we can get you similar exposure, but at a much lower risk and offer protection along the way. So it's been great. Thank you, John.